Okay, I'm trying to make this new computer work. Uh, let's see if there's a way to do that. Okay, there's a way. There's a way. Okay, there we go. Alrighty, so this is 2018 Navajo 1, Lesson 14, Son Haneʼ, dealing with constellations. Akushila, the first part is this is our cultural bag. This is things that we know Navajo. This is a pre-recording, and then we'll do a pass-off. I'll show you the pass-off. Also, this is video clips on the constellation. So you're welcome to watch. Okay, you know something before you come to class. All right, let's go down to the actual lesson. This is um, son, son. That's son. If it didn't have those nasals or high tones, it would be so, so. But nasal makes go through the nose, it would be son, son. But then there's a high tone or a emphasis, so it'd be son, son. Okay, we just found a mistake. Okay, we don't need that high tone. We do need that nasal though. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, there we go. Son, net behind net. Okay, that's story about stars. Okay, and the first big word. These are just words. Rather, after that there'll be ones that be repetitive. This first sentence doesn't have repetitive, but this we ought to know this one. It's called ye kais. Ye kais daha. Ye kais daha. Ye kais daha. Ye kais daha. Ye kai. Ye kai. Up to this point, ye kai means to sit for, or you kai for them, and then staha means to sit. Okay, so there are star people that are sitting, holy beings that are sitting, and that they are waiting. Usually early in the morning, you can see them. So that's why we say it's very important to awake early in the morning. Anyway, I'll tell a story later. Okay, let's just go over. Yekaistaha a Nazi lit rainbow. Nahalengo. Ha ache. Ha ache. Ha ache. High tone on that one. Ha ache. Nit i. Nit i. Tle. Oh, in the east. That's why the east is so important in the morning. Yeah, you can see the Milky Way very well. Okay, so Milky Way is what we're talking about. All right, let's go to the next one. These are, I'm going to do two at a time. And so this is two, and then this is three down here. So Sapa, the first one is Sompaadi, Sompaadi. So star, female, so female star. Okay, we'll talk about the history or the, the details when we get to class. Anyway, the only thing that I want to share with you is Amato Asana, mothers and women. Bebehani, there's your repetitive. Bebehani. So you're going to learn to say by it, it is remembered. So this reminds of us of mother and woman. Okay. The other one, son be kai, bekai. Okay, so male, son bekai, male star. What does that remind us? Aje to hastin. Aje meaning man or fathers, and hastin meaning man. So this is more talking about fathers and not one, but quite a few, and not man, but men. By it, it is remembered. We remember the father and the mother and the father and the man by this group of stars. Okay, let's go to the next one. Two again. Sont and stars. Ahotzi. And so what we're talking about is these groups of stars here, they are barely hanging on to each other. That's what the understanding of that is. Ahotzi means they are barely hanging on to one another. Okay, that's what it means in Navajo. But it really refers to a that nihila hands talks about our hands, nihini nihine our minds, do nihije uh, our hearts, be daihini tkango be behane be daihini tkan means we hold each other, all referring to love. Okay, loving one another. The hand, the mind, and the heart, and we hang on to each other with that. That that's what we hang on to each other. And that's what we remember. Behani. Next one is gah, rabbit. He tehi. He tehi means hopping. Hopping rabbit. These groups of stars. And what did they remind us? A naltloshi. Remember naltloshi? Animals. Altscho. All the animals. Represents all the animals. It is remembered. Bebehani. Bebehani. Okay? Bebehani. So there's repetitive. More repetitive. Let's start with atse. Atse ets osse. Atse ets os. Atse means first. And then the next one is ets os means slender. So there's a slender man. Atse ets osse. And what does he do? E nabahi. Ate. He's a hunter. Do ahayago. Meaning protector. The one that protects. Bebehani. By it, it is remembered. We remember he represents hunting, represents protection and guidance, that kind of idea. Next one, atse etso. Atse first, atso, big, the big one. But it really refers to old age, okay? And what does it do? San bito tasco. All of us will reach old age. That is remembered. It reminds us that we will all be old and wise. Okay, there's a lot of knowledge with that. So atsetsos, atsetsos, atsetso, almost similar. Atsetsose, atsose, and atsetso. All right, so that's what we'll cover. That's what we'll learn. And so we'll learn the details behind that. And then we'll do a pass off. We'll read that to each other in our class. And then I'll do a video clip on that one too. And then we'll do an activity. We'll call this North Star. We're going to create something here. Okay, with your team. All right, see you in class.